Alright, tribe, so I bought this floating row cover to protect my ugu plants against the frost. The temperature is going to drop tonight to below 40, so it's time to start covering up my plants. I also bought this. We're going to unbox it and find out what is inside, but it's supposed to be something like this, you know, an arch or something. So the idea is to build that over my fruited pumpkin plants over here. I'm trying to protect the fruits, the pots that have formed, from dying. The temperatures dropped to 40s, in the 40s last night, and tonight is going to go below 40, so I need to cover up my plants. That is the task at hand. I'm going to become YAJE the builder here in a minute. Tribe, I have bad news. Look at what happened to my ugu, my fluted pumpkin. I was trying to redirect the stems so that I could put the frost cover over it, and I noticed this and this and this, so it has snapped in so many places. I don't know if it's going to recover, and that is the main stem that was carrying a lot of the fruit. As you can see, there's one, there's another one, so it has snapped in so many places. I'm so sad and so discouraged. I don't know if I should leave it alone or continue with putting the frost cover over it. See, that's another place. I don't know if it's going to recover from all of the damage, but yeah, I don't know. Oh my goodness, I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah, this is not going to work.